Hey, what's up, guys? Coach Courtney. I'm on my last job of today, which is the last day of October. 2 more months left in the year of 2019, and 2020 is going to be amazing because I'm going to be coaching and helping a lot of you guys create new opportunity for yourself, for your family, or anybody you know that might be looking for new opportunity. So what I do again, guys, I've been getting a lot of messages. So Coach Courtney, what do you do for a living? What do I do, guys? I run a professional carpet cleaning business out of Lawrenceville, Georgia, which is about 30 miles from Atlanta. I'm 38 years of age. 38 years of age, 30 years old, okay? I have been in this industry since I was 19. I worked for a lot of companies before I started my own. At the age of 28, I started my own business because I knew how to clean carpets, but I didn't understand business. I failed for 5 years. After 5 years, guys, of failing, I had to get my stuff in order because I really enjoy what I do. With that being said, finally getting with the right people to help lead me into the right direction, understanding my business, and also making a name for myself. I have become one of the top industry leaders in this industry. I've helped a lot of people revamp their business. Also, I've had people start their businesses with good success. And this is what I want to do going into 2020. So just to give you guys an example of what I'm doing, I'm out here in the area called Houston, Georgia, which is about 15 miles from Lawrenceville. And I'm doing a total of 5 areas. I charge $50 per area and show you guys what I'm doing. This is room number 1. Okay. This room right here, we count these as 2 rooms. This is a pretty big room. So this would be 2, 3, no spots, no stains. And one thing about me, guys, when you follow me, I am a real person. I do not get on here talking about things that's not true, basically being a false prophet. You can go follow me on YouTube, and I'm going to put the links up to my YouTube page and also my Facebook page. And again, the name of my company is Truman Steamers, Truman, Steamers with 2 E's, Steemers. Been on my own now for about 12 years. We have a 2-truck operation, me and my lead technician, Kevin, who I brought on full time this year because, again, I need leverage to help other people create this opportunity. One thing about me, I carry my business in a professional manner. Okay, this is my truck. I've had this truck for 2 years. This is a 2017 Dodge ProMaster. I use truck mounted equipment most of the time. So this is my equipment. This is my presentation. I do this at every house. This is called the Cellar Door. So this zips up and down. So when we're in the house, we zip that up from the inside, and you don't have things that can enter the house and losing your air, animals, and it just has a professional image. And also, Cellar Door is going to be one of my vendors for my coaching program. I also have my professional floor mats. We use corner guards on every house. Our customers love these because it protects their home and their investment. And again, it's a professional look. And again, these are the carpets I'm cleaning. No spots, no stains. Just to show you guys, this customer has already paid me because she's not here. And this is what I've done, guys. And again, this is not boasting and bragging, but just to show you the opportunity that you can do in this business. So as you can see, today is October 31st, and we do take credit cards. Okay, so that's what I've done today. All right, that's what I've done today with 3 jobs. And plus Kevin has done 2 jobs today. So this is what I do, guys, for the ones that's been asking, Coach Courtney, what do you do for a living? Again, I clean carpets. Not only do I clean carpets, I clean upholstery, hardwoods, tile and grout. We also do pet odor treatment, also carpet protection. So some customers will want a protection put on the carpets after cleaning. And we have just built up a good solid foundation for ourselves. I've done that most of the years. Like I said, Kevin has been with me full time this entire year. And what I'm looking to do is let him run the company while I continue to coach and show people how to start their own carpet cleaning business. So that's what I do, guys. And that's what I enjoy doing it. I've been doing it part-time for like the last 3 years. I have guys that will come ride with me. They pay me to come ride with me to get the hands-on experience. I do one-on-one consultations. I help people with their SEO, their websites, and also just give them leadership and direction in this business. One thing about this business, it's very easy to get into. It's a low start business, very minimum education needed. So you don't have to be a college graduate to be in this business. But what I do, because I see a lot of people fail in this business, is because they have no direction. One thing about this business, like I said, it's easy to get into. The startup is very low. But if you have no direction, if you don't know what you're doing, like so many cleaners I see each and every year, they fail, they don't make it because they don't know what they're doing. The good things about this business, I actually started my business in 2008. So this business is recession proof, okay? Even when the market isn't doing good, most people, instead of replacing, they will rather clean it, okay? When you market to certain customers, they're gonna keep their possessions and their houses and the carpets and the furniture, they're gonna keep it maintained, okay? So the recession really doesn't affect everybody like we think it do. You can work your own hours. You can make good money in this business, okay, guys? You can make really, really good money in this business, up to $100 an hour, and also over $100,000 a year. So that's what I do. And guys, the website, my website designer, Unique Designs by Kim. She's also on Facebook. She's going to be one of my vendors, as well, to help you guys with your websites. The website will be up in I'll say about the end of next week. So about another week and a half. So that way you guys can go ahead and start signing up and getting ready to join me in this journey going into 2020. So anyway, guys, just want to share that with you, share a little bit about myself, because people have been messaging me and say, Coach Courtney, what do you do? Never heard of you before. So like I said, go to YouTube, put in Truman Steamers Carpet Cleaning, go to my Facebook page, and you will see that I do this each and every day, and I enjoy what I do, and I want to create the same thing for you guys that's looking for new opportunity. All right, guys, see you in the next one.